must be some tournaments coming in here today because there's a lot of bass boats coming into the area. You can see out here, one there just coming in, another one outside there. But none of them got the secret spot.
They're probably happy we're in here.
Oh, now that's a good bass right there. It's a good bass. You know, world record, but this is the kind you want when you're tournament fishing. There, he's gonna jump for you.
Oh, beautiful. And tell me why we're not in the tournament?
That's a good question.
I think those guys in the tournament would be very happy to have that bass.
That's a good fish right there. That's the kind we're looking for.
Hold that guy up. Let's take a look at him, Kiki.
Another good quality fish.
Wow, what a beauty.
He's probably a 3, maybe a little over.
Hold him over there, away from your body. Yeah, that's it. Oh, let me zoom in on him. What a beautiful fish. How big do you think he is?
He's at least 3. He's probably 3 1/4.
Beautiful bass.
Nice fish, beautiful fish. They're so healthy up here, and there's so many of them. I've never seen a lake like this. It's got so many big bass. This is why we're here. They call Lake Champlain the best lake in the country, and that's why. So many big fish in here. Focus my effort more over here. How many is that, Davey? Is that what? I think that's 5.
I think you're right.
There's another good one. Oh, he's still on there. I love it. Lake Champlain. I know I keep saying that, but I don't know if I've never been to another lake like this in the country where you can do this. Another nice fish. Alright, here's the deal now. It's 7:42, and as you can see, the sun is up. The sun is blaring on our topwater spot, which means the topwater bite's over. What we're going to do is relocate to the other side of the water, where we have the hill on our side. It's going to create a longer shadow. We're going to get another 10, 15, 20 minutes of topwater bite on the other side. In a tournament, that extra 10 or 15 minutes of your topwater bite, put an extra 4-pounder in the boat. That's the difference between winning and coming in second. So that's what we're going to try and see if it works out. Now you can see the difference immediately. We only traveled 200-300 yards to the other side. Now it's dark. Instead of being 6:45, now it's 20 after 7. So we got another 20 minutes over here to work our topwater poppers. So let's see what happens. As soon as I pull in here, I can see bait fish swimming around. I see fish coming up ahead of me. It's got all the right conditions. So let's see what happens. I want to get up shallow, on the shallower side. There's an inside edge to the weeds and an outside edge. And right now, at this time of the year, they're going to want to be shallow on the inside edge. They got all the bait pushed in here, and it's like a corral. They get them up in here and they just eat them. Oh, I missed him. Ooh, oh, he got off. That was a big fish. Oh, that was a big one.
You know how I know he was big? I was zoomed in all the way on him when he hit the bait.
That was a big one, and he's not going to hit again because I felt the weight. He felt the hook. That was a big fish. Darn it. That was the big one we were looking to get on camera. Oh, and I missed my opportunity.
It's all good, bro. At the very least, you have a beautiful woman to go home to, even though she has green teeth.
That's true.
Just kidding, Cindy. I'll edit that out of the video. I don't want to get booted from the best man position. I've been there before.
Ooh, that's a good one. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take it a little slower with this guy. Oh yeah. He doesn't want any part of me.
That's the one we've been looking for on video.
Yes, it is.
I'm so proud of that boy.
Oh, me. There you go. That right there. Lake Champlain. October 21st. You look around and you see fall. The cold weather's coming. But these fish, boys, they're feeding up. Look how fat his belly is. Look at that. It's full of food. He's just up here gorging himself on all this bait. You throw that topwater out there, they can't lay off. They just can't. That's what we're looking for right there. And away he goes. Trip's complete now. We got the 4-pounder on camera.